So we finished making our ridges for transplanting. We are now preparing to put the manure and also do some other treatments before the time of transplant. So first of all, we'll create holes where water will be dropping from the drip tapes. You can see where drip tape is and where we're creating those holes. So you create a hole where you want to plant, exactly where water is dropping. So that's how we'll do it, and we do for all the ridges. This is double ridge, so you can see we have 2 drip tapes on each ridge. So after opening those holes, creating those holes, we start now applying our manure. You can see putting the manure in the same hole we created. This is to help the plants. Once they start developing their roots, they will start touching the manure immediately, and this will speed up the growth of the plants, because that place is already fertile for them to grow. So that's why we're putting manure directly to the spot where we want to plant, so that the roots can tap enough nutrients when they start developing and growing as well. So we put all the manure in all the holes, and after that we now start applying agric lime. This is agric lime. So we put agric lime in each of the holes that we have our manure. So we do it for all the whole ridges, or the holes we've created. You can see we do it for at the whole of the farm. We put agric lime in each of the hole. So after doing this agric lime, and we now move to the next part of the treatment, which is the worm force. So this worm force, it's is for nematodes. You need to control nematodes in the soil. So you apply it to the same spot where you are expected to plant your tomato or pepper. So I will open up one of the worm force. So this is exactly how it looks like inside. Each pack is 1 kg. So we'll open it up. You just take just a little drop in each of the hole. Let me show you how you do that. So you take it and you drop just a little drop in each of the holes where you want to plant. This will help to combat nematodes. So it's important to apply them before you plant. See you guys in our next video.